We are pleased to show you the 2013 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirrors power, passenger, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.